Dealing with a wage garnishment order, ADP can manage the complex calculations and payments, but accurate setup is critical to stay compliant with the court. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to handle it. When you receive a garnishment order, you must first enter its details into ADP. In the employee's profile, find the deductions or garnishments section. Create a new garnishment, inputting the exact details from the order type, e.g., child support, creditor, amount or percentage, payment frequency, and remittance address. ADP will then automatically calculate the deduction from each applicable paycheck, respecting federal and state limits on disposable income. My crucial pro tip: document everything and use ADP's garnishment service. Consider enrolling in ADP's garnishment administration service. For a fee, they handle the setup, calculations, payments, and even correspondence with the agency, drastically reducing your legal risk. This turns a complex legal requirement into a managed, systematic process. Have you had to manage garnishments before? What was the biggest challenge? Share your experience below. For more guides on handling complex payroll tasks, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.